Relax na sila, Ron?
Yes, ma'am.
Room around sila sila.
Yes, ma'am. Take a room lift in there.
Pila sila kabuktanan.
Ano sa man, ma'am? Ang water back or ang ilan?
Ano sila? Ilan?
Daghan man yung water back, ma'am, 13 ka buok. Yeah, it depends sa pila ang ipagawas sa keeper.
Ano sila?
Sa holding area, katulad to.
Katong holding area.
Napay daghan dito.
Depende sila ipagawa.
Depende pila ipagawas sa keeper. Impala.
Ay, balibatal!
Where is it? The first
Yeah.
Mount Stress 100. Alright, and our highlight, zebra, and smallest and cutest antelope, Thompson's gazelle, and wildebeest. Again, we have your wildebeest. Are you watching the movie The Lion King? Accidentally killed by King Mufasa. Alright. And also our smallest and cutest antelope, Thompson's gazelle. But despite of that, we can travel in a long distance. And also fast runner. We can run our gems back. Okay, Madam Gazelle, the horn can detect the rainfall from about 90 kilometers away. And the official logo of Qatar Airways. And they have a sharp hearing and eyesight. So meaning di sila malibak. They have a sharp hearing and eyesight. Okay, dara.
Yes, earlier na.
Highlight, zebra,
Wow. Mm.
Noah!
May bata iya. Awa, may bata.
Hoy, kuya.
Awa, may bata.
Oh, nas kuya namin dari oh, nasa tigin. Oh, nalangwi-langwi ng buaya.